How to get reach on YouTube Shorts. Hello there, and welcome back to my channel. I'll be offering some advice on how to increase your YouTube Shorts audience in this video. As you are all aware, YouTube recently added a tool called YouTube Shorts that enables users to make short movies that can last up to 60 seconds. This video is for you if you're a content creator trying to increase your audience on this platform. So let's get started. Tip 1. Keep it brief and sweet. First and foremost, keep in mind that YouTube Shorts are all about being succinct and to the point. For your video to effectively draw in viewers, it should be brief, interesting, and visually appealing. Don't try to jam too much material into a single video. Instead, keep your content narrowly focused on a single subject. Tip 2. Use popular hashtags. Using trending hashtags is one of the best strategies to increase the reach of your YouTube Shorts. These hashtags can improve the likelihood that your material will go viral and help your videos be found by a larger audience. Google Trends and other tools can help you locate trending hashtags that are appropriate for your content. Tip 3. Make eye-catching thumbnails. Thumbnails are very important for drawing users to your videos. Make sure your thumbnail matches the topic of your film and is both visually appealing and relevant. To make a compelling thumbnail that will persuade visitors to click on your movie, use vivid colors, powerful typography, and high-quality photographs. Tip 4. Advertise your shorts on social media. Promoting your films on social media websites is another strategy to increase the number of people who see your YouTube Shorts. To increase views and interaction, share your shorts on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and other networks. You can encourage your viewers to spread the word about your films to their friends and family by asking them to do so. Tip 5. Work along with other artists. An excellent method to increase your reach on YouTube Shorts is to work with other creators. You can collaborate with other writers in your niche to produce shorts. By doing this, you can expand your following and give your visitors engaging, original content. So those are my recommendations for increasing reach on YouTube Shorts. Remember that building an audience on any channel requires time and effort, but with these pointers, you may start making interesting videos and expanding your YouTube audience. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to my channel to see more content just like it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.